Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be playing Phantom Forces. So yesterday I started playing Phantom Forces and I got up to rank 5. So let's get started. Okay, it's team deathmatch. No, I'm not really good at this game. Yep, like I said, not really good at this game. My voice is cracking. Okay. Is he alive? No. Is he alive? Oh, I hate this map. Oh no. Same guy. Nice one. Okay. You on the building? Oh no. That's bad. Why'd I spawn with you? Where's the window? There. Yeah, I'm not gonna jump out there. Don't get shot. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. There's a guy that's not paying attention. Oh? Oh. Okay, I got no health. Yes! Okay. Next video I might switch my guns. This is my most powerful gun. Is anybody up there? Break all the glass. Ah! I don't like you. I don't like you, guy with the M4. Okay. This is where I spawned. Oh. Gas station. I can't see him. Oh, he's dead. They killed him. Ah! I got scared for a second. I thought you were going to kill me, man. Is that... Who... It's either he threw a grenade or someone else did. Ah, no. Same guy. Been killed by the same guy every single time. I'm not proud of that. I'm gonna kill you. Guy with the M4. That's what I'm gonna call him. Damn it. Oh my god. I mean, that was a really smart place to go. Okay. What was that? Was that a spitball? Sounded like a spitball. It's like they own that place. My voice. I have a very sore throat today. Yay, killed by a different guy. We don't have many people on our team. Yes. Damn it. Crouch. There you are. Guy with the M4. That's your name now. Damn it. Okay. So, no, I won't end the video now. It hasn't been going for that long. Okay, I remain in Phantoms. I'm gonna switch out my weapon. What do I have? Nothing really. I don't like this gun. Don't like this one either. No. Just unlocked that one. Okay. I unlocked that yesterday. I'm gonna try this one. King of the Hill. Oh, I like this map. I am in Phantoms. Do we have the... Wow, that scared me. Thanks, man. Got the hill. Got the hill. It's not even hill though. What are they doing? You can't ride the tank. I was too late. Now he's gonna take the hill. Damn you. Yes, guys. Get him. No, they didn't get him. Oh, that's a different guy. Really? Okay, he's in combat. He's just running around. Yeah, just go with him. Where is he? Where's the guy on the roof? Get him. Gotta get... Oh, it's near the hill. I'm not even close to the hill. Dun. Feel like Batman for some reason. I should throw a grenade. Yes. That hurt. I should throw a grenade and blow that guy up. Damn! Oh my god. I really want to unlock that weapon, That's why we're losing. We don't have any people on our team. Where did he come from? We have like 4-5 people on our team. Can't climb ladders. How am I gonna survive? Hello. I like this gun. I might use this gun for a bit. Might use it in the next video. What are these guys trying to do? Jump over a wall. Just shoot anybody you see. Shouldn't have said that. Everybody's in combat. The hill. I've never spawned up here before. Same guy. I forgot to say, I'll leave a link in the description for the recorder. So if any of you guys want to use it. A bomb! Grenade! He used a frag. Frag grenade. This is harder than I thought. Going to win. There's a guy right there. Killed me anyway. I've only got 1 kill. Where am I even going? Die! He killed me with a pistol. He killed me with a pistol. Okay. Jump out the window. Huh. Didn't get hurt. Okay. Don't die. I'm saying that to myself. Damn it. I'm under the chair. I'm one with the chair. How am I I can't get out. I can't get out. Wait. Nope, can't get out. Thank you, man. The hill's here, right? Yeah, that was stupid. Where am I? How did... I'm not gonna even question. I was shooting my own teammate. That was smart. I do really stupid things now and again. There's that guy that never dies, and nobody ever sees. He's got the sniper. I'm shooting the box. This one doesn't have much ammo. Run. Completely missed him. Should have threw a grenade. Okay, that guy can kill people really easily. Where is this person going? Okay, I'll just follow him. What's wrong? Can't. Okay, we both killed each other at the same time. This always happens to me. Always. Okay, you're in a nice space. Get it. Capture it. Capture it. Capture it. There's a guy up there. I'll kill him. I hate the campers. Damn. Now die! Not even killing him. Help. Probably gonna switch guns. Wherever you're going. Okay. I'm gonna die. Don't even know where I'm going. Don't follow me. Okay. The hill's over there and I'm up here. Yeah. Oh, this is where the guys that were trying to jump over the wall were. Get through the window. Yes. I don't like this guy. I don't like this guy. He's not nice. Hide. Okay. Am I close?